So hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. So most of you think that you need many signals to make money, but the profitable traders know one perfect setup is also enough to make the money. Today we got a one quality signal, and this was the perfect setup, and this is more than enough. And instead of forcing multiple trades, we focused on one clean opportunity right now. And so let's break this trade down. So the move was for Euro USD up 5 minutes. Here you can just check out, this was a very good one. In this, the market was in a clear downtrend, and we have got a support level, a very strong support level. You can see the rejections from here, and this was our perfect support zone. And as soon as the price reached here at our support zone, we took a call side trade for the we won this. You can check out this. This is all we got today, one signal, but this was the perfect signal. And today it proves an important lesson. You don't need the 10 trades, 20 trades to make more money. You just need good trades to make money. Sometimes the best strategy is knowing when not to trade. So if you want more clean, simple trading setup like this, you can just join us on Telegram. We will be back with new signals. Thank you. See you in the next video.